guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just visiting newly, you're most definitely welcome. And in this channel we do a lot of makeup, hair, and lifestyle videos. So if you haven't subscribed, do where to subscribe. I haven't been doing much videos lately, but I'm apologizing formally. I promise I'm gonna keep my game up. I'm gonna try to do at least one video a week. I know I said this last time, and it's as if I keep repeating the same thing, but this time I'm serious, guys. I just want to start a hair review videos on this channel because I've been getting a lot of requests to do such videos. I get a lot of private messages. Why don't you tell us about your hair? Like this one I'm actually putting on is from a hair vendor on Instagram. I'm going to do well to attach his Instagram handle below this video, so if you want to like patronize him, do well to check out the video. I'm not getting paid for doing the reviews in this video or any video at all. I don't get paid, so these are my like private personal opinions, unadulterated opinions. So don't take it that Stella is doing this because she's getting paid. I'm not getting paid a dime. I'm not even getting contacted by the company to start with. So hair is like it's a coily hair. Obviously, it's water friendly water, and I just started using some like good oils on it, and it started bringing out this coil. The coil actually was a little bit if I get a video or a picture of the coil before I started using the oil on it, I'll try to post it just behind this clip here. So using the oil and the water, I noticed like the coil started not dropping in a good sense, like it didn't drop totally, but it started stretching out, which I think is nice, is good, and I love it. Like a lot of people keep asking me, where did you get this hair, where did you get this hair? And I'm like, this is a hair I've been putting on for over a year, and you haven't noticed it just because I used the oil and the whatever in it, and it's popping now, and now everybody wants to know about the hair. So yeah, I'm also going to like list the products I use on this hair, which made the coils like stretch out a little bit and made it more presentable. It's actually a good hair even without the long coil. Like it had a short afro coil before now, which I still loved, but I think I prefer this one now. I've actually used this hair for over a year and it's still good. The coils are still in good shape, and it's not so expensive like compared to hairs they sell here. It's about 12 inches. These are 12 inches. I just got in at 12 inches. I didn't want something too long, which is good for me. This length is perfect. If you want to know more about other hairs, like I have a number of hairs, guys. I love hairs. I'm a hair freak. If you want to know more about my other hairs, do well to leave a comment down below, and I'll do well to tell you more about other hairs I have. So literally, I did not install this hair. I didn't put any glue or anything on this hair. I'm not a glue type. Yeah, because I can't keep gluing my front hair. It's gonna rip it apart. I've not developed such courage, so I literally just put on the hair, the lace. I actually bought it with a frontal, and I installed it. Like I had someone to help me fix it into a wig cap. I do wig caps myself, but I didn't have time to do that because I was about traveling down here. So I just told someone to help me do it. It didn't cost much. So it's a good hair. As I said, generally it's a good hair. I recommend it. Who's this? Where's he going to? Look, see him? He was just coming towards me. I thought he wants to drop that on my car. Like, so yeah, I'm just distracted. Someone just brought his child to school by this time, and I'm like, I came here by 9 o'clock and I'm late, and someone is just coming in and they're like strolling in with their child, and I'm like, why am I rushing if people are still coming in by this time? Because if you come late, you're gonna get they call it not a sticker. Sticker is good. You're gonna get a form, or like tardiness form, which means like your child is late, which is not good. So it means you're not efficient enough to bring your child early to school. It is a bad reputation, and also going to count towards your child's stay here in the school. Like if he gets that up to like two of that is equal to one absence. So if he gets it up to 18 times, he's out of the school. And I wouldn't want that. So it means you're not serious. So my child hasn't gotten, okay, he has gotten one. The first time I came, he got one. So ever since he hasn't gotten anyone, and I've been trying to keep up. We've been coming a bit late this time, but we haven't gotten any. But this guy just came now, which is almost to 10 in the morning, and he's just happily taking his time, taking his child into the school. Like if it's me, I'll be running. I'll be on my feet, running to like meet up when he doesn't even care. Anyway, that's by the way. Let's get back to the hair. So on this hair, I'm just looking at my mirror here. I did just use my foundation, and after my foundation I went in with my powder because I wanted it to stay. I noticed when I use just the powder it stays, and after some time it wears out. But if I use just the foundation too, it looks cakey. I don't like the look, so I use the foundation and I use my powder to buff it out to make it look more natural. So that is basically what I used in the pattern here, and I decided to make it a side pattern. You can actually make it anywhere. Like the pattern is just, it's a wig, so you can move it here, you can move it here. So under my hair, I didn't even weave my hair. I just combed it down, did one, braided it into one, and just what the cap on needs. Then use that the oil. I'm going to like put the description down in the description bar. I used it to just pat a little bit on it so it doesn't get frizzy hairs. It doesn't get all those frizzy hair about, so it doesn't get frizzy. And that is basically it. This hair is lit, guys. Just see what I mean. Like, I think you should see. It's really cute. Yeah, he's back. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to show him in this video. Yeah, so if you love this video, subscribe. It's a good hair. It's a good hair. I will still do my normal makeup videos, but this is a work look, like people look, which you can do if you want to go to school. You can do it, okay? You can do this video, do this look, do whatever. I just put on my eye pencil, put on my I don't have eyelashes obviously, so I just had to help myself a little bit with a mascara and nothing. Usually I put a little bit highlighter here on my nose, but I didn't do nothing today. And just my lippy, which I'm gonna list down in the description because it's so natural and I love it. I just started using this today. It's actually from L'Oreal, and the lip liner is from NYX, and the lip gloss is also from NYX. So this is my video for today, and my eyebrows. That's basically it. So I hope you enjoy my channel. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. You're my girls, I'm your girl, just do well to subscribe to this channel. And for those of you who have been leaving your positive reviews down below in the comment section, I love you guys. You guys give me the inspiration to do this. Like, I do this for fun. I want to just share my days with you, share everything. And I've realized that, like, I've been keeping you out for too long. So I'm out for it now. I'm out for you guys. Thank you so much. And do well to subscribe. As I said, subscribe. I'm not kidding. Subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Peace.